If you're looking to buy an ASUS laptop in 2026, stop scrolling. ASUS has dropped some absolute monsters this year, and choosing the right one is honestly harder than choosing your next Netflix show. So let me break it down and help you pick the one that actually fits your life. This is the list of the top 5 ASUS laptops worth buying right now, from creators to gamers to productivity geeks. I'm covering real-world performance, design, battery life, displays, and who each laptop is actually meant for. Let's jump in. If you want a laptop that feels like it came straight from the future, the ASUS Zenbook S16 is the one that grabs your attention immediately. It's insanely sleek with a magnesium aluminum alloy body that's only around a kilogram, but under that thin shell, it packs some of the strongest performance in the Ultrabook world. Powered by AMD's new Ryzen AI processors, this thing flies through productivity work, multitasking, AI features, and even light editing. The 16-inch OLED display is pure eye candy. Perfect contrast, deep blacks, and a color-accurate panel that makes photos, movies, and design work look unreal. You also get an excellent keyboard, a massive glass trackpad, upgraded thermals, and a surprisingly solid battery life considering its power. It's made for users who want luxury, portability, and performance without carrying a brick. The only drawback? It's so thin that hardcore gaming isn't its intended audience, but everything else, absolutely incredible. Imagine opening your laptop and seeing 2 full screens stacked together. That's the Zenbook Duo. Easily one of the coolest and most productive laptops ASUS has made in years. If you're someone who constantly multitasks, edits videos with timeline and preview windows, codes with reference material next to you, or streams with multiple apps open, this thing is insane. The top is a gorgeous OLED display, and the second screen is just as sharp. Together, they give you a workspace that feels like a portable dual-monitor desk setup. You can prop it up with the built-in stand, detach the keyboard, or use it like a traditional laptop when needed. Performance-wise, it packs Intel Core Ultra processors, fast SSDs, great RAM options, and solid battery life considering you're powering 2 displays. It's not for everyone. It's for creators, multitaskers, and productivity nerds who want to work twice as efficiently in the same amount of time. If what you want is a clean, reliable, fast Ultrabook without going overboard on price, the Zenbook 14 hits that sweet spot. It still packs a premium metal build, a bright and vibrant OLED panel, long battery life, and the new Intel Core Ultra processors that are great for school, work, and everyday workloads. It's lightweight, portable, and gives you that perfect combination of performance and practicality. The keyboard and trackpad feel premium, and the laptop stays cool during longer sessions thanks to ASUS's updated airflow design. This is the kind of laptop that is perfect for students, professionals, travelers, or anyone who wants something stylish and fast without needing creator-level horsepower. The only con? It's not meant for heavy MSY gaming, but for everything else. It's a top-tier choice with excellent value. If you're a video editor, animator, 3D artist, photographer, or any kind of digital creator, the ProArt P16 is the laptop built specifically for you. This thing is a portable editing studio. It comes with AMD's Ryzen AI chips, discrete NVIDIA GeForce GPUs like the RTX 4060, and a beautiful 16-inch 4K class screen with full professional color accuracy. It's engineered for creators, meaning it stays quiet under load, exports footage fast, handles Blender and Premiere like a champ, and gives you multiple color calibration modes. The build is rugged, the ports are creator-friendly, USB-C, HDMI, SD card slot, and the keyboard is extremely comfortable for long editing days. If you're someone who wants a true MacBook Pro alternative for creative work, but at a more competitive price, the ProArt P16 is one of the best machines you can buy right now. The only downside? It's not as light as the Zenbooks, but that's expected from a workstation class machine. If your main goal is pure gaming power and you don't care about subtle designs, the Scar 16 is a weapon. It's built for gamers who want the absolute best frame rates, cooling, and visuals, and it delivers. This beast is loaded with Intel's high-end HX processors and NVIDIA's RTX 4080/4090 GPUs. Games run ridiculously smooth, even at max settings. The 16-inch display is one of its biggest highlights. a stunning Nebula HDR mini LED panel with insane brightness, color reproduction, and ultra-high refresh rates. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or cinematic story games, this display makes everything pop. The cooling system is overbuilt in the best way possible. Triple fans, massive vents, liquid metal cooling, you name it. And the RGB lighting, it's an entire vibe. If you're into esports, streaming, your A-to-A gaming, or heavy 3D work, this laptop is an absolute monster. If you want the strongest performance in ASUS's gaming lineup, nothing beats the Strix 16. All the links to these ASUS laptops are in the video description. Check them out to see the latest prices and deals on Amazon. If this helped you choose the right one, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which ASUS laptop you'd pick.